your diesel Hyundai mainly takes short journeys, it's most likely you will have a build-up of carbon in the manifold. All of this came out of a Tucson with just over 50,000 miles, and I can show you how it's done. To check if yours is clogged up, remove the map sensor, and examine inside the hole in the manifold, and the sensor itself. If it looks clogged, it will require cleaning. So let's take off the manifold, and see what we find. Remove fuel line, injection pipe, and the wiring harness along the front of the manifold. Then, the throttle body can be removed. Below this there are two 12 millers on the EGR pipe to remove. Now remove the two 10 lower brackets. Then there's just the fasteners holding the manifold to the engine. Be aware, before it can be removed, there's a 10 milli down here. Now the manifold is removed, you can see the extent of the sludge. It's very surprising. This can also cause airflow sensor and map sensor associated faults. I would also recommend checking this before you replace any sensors. I spent a couple of hours cleaning this out, using a long screwdriver to scrape it internally. Then gently knocking it on the bench to dislodge, and remove the sludge. It's worth soaking it in some degreaser after, to loosen it further. This is what came out. Only 50,000 miles. Totally astonishing. Don't forget to clean the ports in the cylinder head. Blow it out after, to avoid the sludge entering the engine. You can see how much better it is now. All that's left to do now, is rebuild and see how much better the car runs. Now, go check yours out. Let me know how you got on. Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.